What's going on YouTube? Today we're here to look at the Spigen Thin Fit P. The P stands for pen. I am super excited. Let's take a look. So this is the Spigen Thin Fit P. I am super excited. I've been waiting for this case for several weeks now. Basically since I've got the phone, really. Now, the reason I'm excited for this case is because it has an S Pen holder. Yay! So I just did a review on the last case, and a lot of people had a lot of questions and things. So we're going to go over this. This is the Galaxy Z Fold 3 5G case, and it is the Thin Fit P, and the P does stand for pen. So now we actually have a high quality pen holder, hopefully. So we're going to take a look. This is also made in South Korea, and it is also black. I'm not sure if there's other colors, and this is made by Spigen in Irvine, California. So that's really good too. Is designed there and shipped from there. Also, we have the slim fit design, which is really thin. It has a perfect grip to it, and it also has perfect protection. So we're going to take a look and see what that all means. And then here's the manufacturer and the model number and all that good stuff. So, we're going to take a look and let's crack this baby open and see what we have. I just want to show you all that. A lot of people don't show you the boxes and stuff, but sometimes it's got some good information, and someone might need to know something like that. So, well, let's see what we have. I've always liked Spigen brands, so I've always had high quality products from them. I've not really gotten anything bad ever. Some things I don't like, some things I wish they have improved on, but it's always good. I'm always excited when I get a Spigen product. Let me get zoomed in right here. All right, let's see what we got with this case here. I know I should be like a kid at Christmas time and just rip it open, but sorry, I don't do that usually. All right, so let's see what we have. We have the case, and we have some cardboard here. It's probably just to kind of keep everything together, nice and rigid. And then we have some instructions. Now I am going to kind of zoom in and show y'all a little bit of this stuff here. There's been a lot of questions about, the antenna, 5G antenna and stuff, when we get to that section. Now, I don't always pull off all the tabs. I pull off the ones that, or I'll pull half of it off. So if people are wondering what to do with the antenna, I just leave it on there, or I just pull, like 1/8 of an inch off on each side, and I've never once had any antenna problems. So, and this is, they show you where to put it on and where to press, and there's all your extra strips. I really like the extra strips coming on the sheet now. I just kind of wanted to show you all that. What do we got here? A charger. Oh, look at this Spigen Arc Station 45-watt charger. I will be ordering this right away, and I will do a review on it. This looks so cool. I really hope it lights up. So I really do like high watt chargers. 45 is good. And I wonder if it looks like it'll be able to cool it too. Well, we're going to do a review on that right away. So as quick as I can get it, we'll do it. And then this shows how to insert the pen, but it shows you. And here's your extra strips. I really do like these extra strips. All right, let's look at this case. Oh my gosh, guys, listen. This is a soft, rubbery feel to it. Unbelievable. It has a solid plastic frame, but the outside is kind of a soft, rubbery feel. It feels so good. It's flexible. Oh man, I did not anticipate that. I expected it to be a hard plastic all the way around, but it is not. So we have the usual strips on the inside. That's a long one there, a short one, and then we have long one on the edge. plenty of adhesive. Now I would not pull all of this off, but you know, depending on what your need is. Okay, so the back of this is a hard plastic. It's kind of got like a little texture to it though. Feels really good, and all the edges are that soft rubber. That feels so nice. I really like this, guys. I did not anticipate a rubber outside. I expected it to be hard plastic like the other ones, and look at, we finally have a nice foot. I bet this thing's gonna sit flat. Oh yeah, it's gonna be perfect. I am super excited about that. I didn't know why the first two folds they never added a little foot there, but it was a smart choice for them to do that. Now I am going to get my phone cleaned up a little bit here. Sorry, I don't like people seeing a nasty phone when you're doing a review, so I try to keep it clean as much as possible. So for this, we're just gonna kind of get it in place, and again, I'm not gonna slide it on. We're just gonna gently pop it on, do the top side and bottom side, and then just click it in place. There you go, just like that. No fuss, no muss. My gosh, I did not anticipate a soft rubber outside, and the shell on the inside is kind of a harder plastic. So they've managed to manufacture and mold those into those two pieces into one, and it feels super good. Let's see, let me get this last one on. There we go. So look at that. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe it's a nice soft rubber. Now I'm going to give you all like a reference, little reference to how the rubber feels. If you actually bought the Samsung Folio case and you remove the S Pen holder, which is about the only reason you would want to use that case, is just for the little holder. But look at this. Now the rubber makes contact with each other, and it is a solid fit, especially around this front edge. And I bet you couldn't even hardly get dust in there. I really like that. Now there is a lip there for the S Pen, but it is not bad at all, and it is soft. Let me grab a card here, the Spigen Arctic card. Look at that. It stops it because it's rubber. It's a softer rubber, and it is a tight fit. Very nice. I really like that design. And look at, you could just see it kind of just, you push it in, it gently flexes. So now let's I have the green version of the Galaxy Fold 3. Now let's see how it fits in there. Oh my gosh, it fits in there so good. That rubber just kind of really just holds it in place. You pull it out, and that's that. You know, it's not like a hard plastic where it's like in a click and snap. It's like a soft, it like kind of expands a little bit and just kind of grips it. So the reason I like that better is because I can have it in my pocket, and I know it's not going to pop out because it's being held by that soft rubber. So look at that. And people are worried about the thumb placement and all that, unlocking it. It unlocks super fast. Now I have mine to press and unlock at the same time, and as you can see, it's instant. I really do like that. My goodness. I'm gonna try it again. Boom, look at that. Let's do it again. Boom. It is so good. Now it is a little tiny bit awkward. You have to use the side of your thumb, but it'll work the same, you know, once it's got your Samsung's fingerprint reader. If y'all have this phone, you already know what I'm talking about. It is super good. There's probably no other better fingerprint reader on the market right now. So that is just unbelievable. It fits and feels so good. Now don't leave yet, because we're going to go over some things. Here's the pen, that folio case, and that's a soft material too. So if you're wondering and you have this, pull this thing out, and it kind of feels very similar to the same type of rubber. It's very flexible, very good. So we're going to do a couple other things. I want to test this thing laying flat, and we're also going to do a few other little tests here. But I just really want to give you all a good representation of how the pen actually fits in there. Now the pen also has a flat edge, and it just lays right in there, and you can see the rubber kind of bowing out a little bit, and it's just grabbing it. So it's good. You actually have to pull it out and try it upside down. What the heck? Look at that, and it's in there. Let's just act like we didn't put it in there all the way and kind of see. There's a flat edge, and you can either do it perfectly and have the Samsung logo sticking out, or you can just any direction really would be good. It fits in there so nice. It feels so good. So look at that. Boom, and then boom. Very good. It's one of the better holders I've seen. And we left the pen out. Let's just say if we didn't get it in all the way, it's not coming out, guys. That rubber grabs hold of it, so you don't have to worry about it losing it or just slipping out. It ain't slipping out. It is solid. And what makes this case feel so good is when you're holding it, all that rubber on your hand. Let's see what it looks like on the back side. Get it zoomed out here. Let's see how it seals over the hinge. Now the Armor Pro, it's got that hinge on there. Like I said, I've had two of those, and I wasn't a really big fan. Oh my goodness. Sorry, TikTok kicked on. So let's see how tight this hinge is. Again, with this new Spigen charger, which I'm going to get real soon. We'll try it out and see if it's any good. Look at that. It just grabs it. As I release it, you can see it just lets it go. It's a super tight fit, so that is really good. I really do like that fit. I like it when it's tight all the way down the seam. So that lets me know that when I lay it down or I'm using it, nothing's going to get in there. Well, we're going to try see how well it fits flat on the table. Chick's going crazy. Dang, TikTok. Well, look at that. Corner to corner, it is a solid fit. There is no rocking. Ding, 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 ding. So, I really, really like this, guys. One of my biggest gripes have been it's not flat when you sit on the table. So now when you get your S Pen out and you write, it is solid, it's flat, it's not going to be rocking. And what they done is they added that that first riser, and it matches up with the riser for the S Pen and the camera. So all four corners now are equal and level. I wish they would have done this from the first two generations, but they got it now, so I am highly impressed. Because that's been a big gripe of mine, just laying it down and it wobbles around, you tap on it, it's like rocking around. But this just solved all that problem. Yep, there's 4 points of contact on the table, and it's going to be great. There's no rocking, no give, it's solid. It is just great. Well, this has been my review. I really appreciate everyone and all the support everyone's been giving me. Try to show you a good, honest review on here. I really highly enjoy this product. I think it's great, and I think it would be great for anyone that has this phone. Also, here's some links to some other videos, and also I will be doing a video on putting these two different cases, the kickstand and the pen case, together, and let's see what kind of combination we'll have with that. But like I said, I really appreciate everyone. I appreciate all the support, and I appreciate y'all. I'll see you next time.